Hey docs, welcome back to this week's tip. I am really excited to share this tip with you because I got to have an amazing experience just a couple weeks ago as I went to see the rock band Fleetwood Mac. Now, let me tell you, I wasn't really sure what we were getting into. This is a band that I've listened to my entire life. In fact, as Leah and I were driving to the concert, we were looking some information up, and they're in the top 9 in terms of albums sold in their career. The top 9 of all time. This is just such an amazing band to be able to go and see. And we were getting to go see them on this particular night. And the concert was amazing. Now you're talking about band members who are 66, 68, 69 years old. People who've been touring for 40 years. Think about this. These people are still doing what they love doing. They're smiling and laughing and having a good time on stage. And they killed it in terms of the performance. What I can tell you is that as chiropractors we watch people. And I know that as people were moving on that stage, they may not have been feeling good, but they didn't care. They were there to perform and put on a show in front of some 20,000 people in the arena that they were at. They could have made an excuse. They could have canceled a show, couldn't they? No way, man. They had to show up and perform anyway. And they did it with a smile on their face, and they performed everything flawlessly. It was an amazing show, an amazing concert, and amazing people who showed up. Translate that into your practice. How many times have you felt like not being there? How many times have you felt tired? How many times have you felt like, man, you just didn't want to go another day? You just maybe wanted to throw in the towel. Man, it'd be nice if I could have a day off. Everyone's been there. How you respond is what matters. You think about your purpose. You think about why you're doing what you do. You stop the journey for a second, take a deep breath, and reflect on the blessing that you get to go to the practice and take care of people, not that you have to. They didn't have to perform that night. They get to perform every night. And they're selling out shows all across the country and around the world because of it. Because they get to do it, not because they have to do it. So if you find that you get into that rut where you feel like you have to go to the office today, stop, take a breath, and count your blessings. Think of your purpose. Think of all the people that you get to impact. And then show up as the best version of you possible. Everyone's watching all the time. You're on stage all the time. So you got to show up as the best version of you today and every day. That's a lesson I think we can all value from the great band known as Fleetwood Mac. Have a great week.